Hello, today we are solving October 2022 IAL Unit 2 question number 2 part B 2 material price variance. This is what we were supposed to calculate because there has been a change in the budgeted and the actual production. Okay, so that has happened. So what is the material price variance? Okay, let's calculate. So material price variance will be equal to, okay, material, any cost of production, it is generally rate times the quantity. Okay, now here you will see that what is the actual quantity used. Okay, what is the actual quantity of material that is used and what was the change in the rate of budgeted, between the budgeted rate minus the actual rate that has happened, okay, during this process. So now let's calculate the actual quantity used. Okay, the actual quantity used is equal to, the actual quantity that is used is going to be equal to the sum of all the things that was issued. Okay, so that is equal to this one. Okay, 2400 plus 2400. Okay, 2400 plus 2400 plus 2300. Okay, plus 2000 plus 1800, 2000 plus 1800, that is equal to 10,900 meters. This was the actual quantity that was used, and what happened to the difference in the rate we have to calculate. So the budgeted rate for material was equal to, okay, material was equal to, we had taken 3.6 pounds per meter. Okay, but what has happened to the actual rate? Now actual rate we will have to calculate. Okay, either they will give or they would have said here the quantity issued, okay, the cost, and then there is a change. So I will be calculating the total cost, okay, of usage divided by the total quantity, that is going to give me the rate. So I will use up all the actual cost, total cost, okay, total cost of the material used. So this was the total cost of all the materials that was used. Okay, divided by the total quantity that was used. So this is the total quantity that was used. So that is nothing but 2400. Okay, 2400. So plus then this one 2300, then you have 2000, okay, 2000, and you had 1800. Okay, now let's add up to get the actual rate, that is equal to, so that is going to be equal to 39,430 pounds. Okay, this is the total cost divided by the total quantity used, 10,900 meters. So that is going to be equal to, so 39,430 divided by 10,900, so that is equal to 3.6174, 3.6174, okay, rate, pounds per meter. So now we will find the material usage variance. So the material usage variance is equal to the actual quantity used, 10,900 meters was used, times the difference in the rate. So that is 3.6 per meter. Okay, 3.6 pounds per meter was the budgeted one, minus this one was 3.6174. So 3.6174 per meter. So now let's calculate the difference. So that is going to be equal to so 190. So minus 190 pounds. Okay. So I will remove the minus sign and I will write it as adverse. Okay. So that is going to be equal to 190 pounds. Okay, adverse, which means it has not